got trouble. Double trouble.
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o.
Yep. Like things have cooled down a bit, but there's still a ton of tourists here. Not a lot of cars. We got the Mansory Panamera right here, the matching Louis Vuitton luggage in the rear. Of course, we got this bizarre F12 WS Motors that I can't even see. There's so many people here. Hold on. There you go. What's very perplexing is the strange font that they used right there. Now on the windshield right there. It's an unusual sight, a 4x4, and it's fully packed with people. Usually in Los Angeles, it's only one guy in the driver's seat and a massive 4x4, so it's gone now. Whoa, 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 whoa there, boy. That's a funky looking F12, man. Doing a quick update here at the impound lot. We got the M6. This is the California from yesterday. Got a new 458 here. What are these plates right here? These two AMG Bros and the Scion with a wing. Well, these are new victims of the impound lot. There you guys have it. Quick update. Trying to continue the loop. They just moved the van. Oh no, wait, they're letting the M6 out. Okay, so he is good. Oh, better take it easy, boy. I don't want to get impounded a second time. It's finally happened. We got a 4-cylinder F-Type. It didn't focus, but it was black with the one single exhaust down the middle. We're back here at Planet Pizza. No, wait, Pizza System Casino. But oh, we got the police right there stopping and most likely going to pull over a couple of cars. All right, we're currently here on the 3rd floor of the Starbucks, just watching this crane pick and drop rocks off. They're picking it from the bottom of the ocean. Wait, it's a sea, it's not the ocean. The Mediterranean. The Mediterranean. Hold on, wait. Oh, there it goes. It reminds me of the claw games where they pick up these stuffed animals. And we got the Mad Purple 4C with a wing that's been doing loops literally for 3.5 to 4 hours straight. So respect to this guy down. Just a little bit of a police action going on over there. We got 4 cops on bikes pulling over 2 motorists, or motorcycles rather. That's not a good situation to be in. There we go, we got the 918 in orange all the way down there. Bam. Good spot. And we still got the police handling the 2 motorcycles over there. I can't help this, alright, I'm gonna just say it. I can't help but think that they got pulled over because they're a different color. Whoa. Uh-oh, we got trouble. Double trouble.
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o.
Yep. What's that all about? No way.
You didn't have to race yours, right? Oh, too bad you weren't filming that.
No, but we were just filming those cops, and then they got really mad. They just had Strandman erase his footage, or he said, "We're going to prison." That's what he said. No, that's actually what he just said. I actually turned my camera off, so I apologize, but yeah. Dude, the police, they're mad.
They're mad.
They're on a fucking witch hunt right now because of last night probably. They're like, hey, today's the last day of the Top Marks Motor Show, or the Supercar Show. Unfortunately, I don't think there are that many supercars in there to begin with. Oh, there's some cops being, they're talking with a lady there. I better put that down because just 5 minutes ago, we, oh, this guy passed. Just 5 minutes ago, we were filming a couple cops pulling over some cars, and, yep. You know what happened. Look, a Brabus 4x4.
Yeah.
Orange. Is it matte orange? Yup. Don't recall seeing that this past few days. Maybe all the locals are going to be like, hey, you know what? Tom Marks is over. It's time to party.
Oh, from that police officer.
Oh, better not film the police officer. I'm filming him. I'm going to prison. I'm going to prison! There's a man just holding his dog like a little baby, as you do in Monaco. That was amazing. He was actually like cradling.
Oh, he's cradling like a baby.
He's cradling the puppy like a little baby. So we're just having a little discussion, wondering if this is the final chapter, the final edition of Top Marks, with all the fuckboys, the police. I don't know, man. It's just out of hand, and how relevant is this show anymore? No one even goes to it. None of the manufacturers go, not even the aftermarket manufacturers go to Top Marks anymore. There it is, look, I'm gonna zoom in. Look, it says it's a supercar show. But there weren't any supercars in there anyway, so. All right, guys, we're just driving around aimlessly, and lo and behold, we have found ourselves a bona fide, authentic Monaco spot here. F40 with black wheels on Monaco plates. So we're on the other side of Monaco, right all the way over there near Port Hercules is the first impound lot that I filmed last video. Let's count how many cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 26, 27 cars in total in this impound lot. So this is the third impound lot. We got the GT2RS as well. McLaren 570, bunch of Porsches, Audis, GTRs. Oh look, a Jag XKRS. What the heck, a GT3. This is probably the world's most expensive fucking impound lot. S3, got the F-Boys, the BMWs. Ooh, a Mustang, of course. I see a GTI, a Huracan. We're gonna do a whole walkthrough of all the cars that have been impounded here. M3, even a 380 SL. What the heck is this guy doing here? Even the locals here don't even know why these cars are here. They just assume there's like some sort of car meet or like some sort of get together, some sort of park and chill. Nope. You mess around just one little bit, you're done for, man. Done for in this town. Holy crap, this is definitely the world's most expensive impound lot. We got the helicopter pads right over there. By the way, you could take a helicopter for what, 150, 200 bucks one way from the Nice airport all the way to Monaco, baby. Check that out. Yes. So we got the helicopter vlog, we got the impound vlog, we got the Huracans, the GTI fuckboys, the Mustang fuckboys. Dude, everyone is getting screwed over at Top Marks 2018. There you go. Check that out. Got this beautiful blue XKRS, D-badge, of course. One of the other cars that have been impounded here in Monaco. Surprisingly, that GT2RS got impounded as well. We saw him like power sliding around just a little bit, but man, that sucks. From Italy, look at all the bugs on the front end here. So I don't think we featured the Peugeot 308 in any of the vlogs, but here it is, quite the beast. All right, guys, so we're in the 308. Check this out, we're going around 5 kilometers an hour, right? So I'm just at a little roll here. Watch this, gonna open the door. It looks like, this sounds like a missile alert. It sounds like the North Koreans are gonna bomb us. Yeah. It sounds like one of those, you know that the missile alert in Hawaii? Exactly watch this, watch this. Oh wait, what?
That's new.
That's a new one. What the heck? Peugeot, my goodness, you better get your...
Whoa, look at this thing.
Whoa. Was that there?
No.
That just popped out of nowhere.
What's that?
What is that? All right, guys, I don't even know what this is. I mean, but what, honestly, guys, what is this? Let me know in the comments below. You know what? I'm gonna park the Peugeot again. I mean,
we didn't even park for the carbon shear.
Fun factoid for you guys, that carbon Chiron that you saw in my very first vlog in Monaco, we thought we were gonna be seeing that again. And so we just drove past and just left. And now we're gonna be parking for this mystery car. Wow, it's kind of funky, man. Eden Green Zeklot. It looks like it's based off of Morgan, but I'd be completely wrong. No one seems to know what the heck this thing is. The Eden Green Zeklot. All the locals here are just confused as fuck. Got the local Monaco 812 Superfast. There's a LaFerrari, the same one from last night that just passed by. And let's make sure we don't ruin these guys' videos and give them some clearance. We're hooking these guys up as usual. It's what we do, James.
All day, every day.
That sounded
Cut
very...
that out of the vlog, please. Please, I did not need people to hear that.
No.
Gordon, you're...
It's the funky SOR right there. Hey. All right, it's quite of a different scene tonight on a Sunday. It's kind of like a lazy Sunday night. We've got a couple spotters just chilling out here. We're not really sure what they're waiting for, but we saw 2 Chirons, a LaFerrari, and 2 918s while we're eating right over there. And we didn't film any of it because we're fucking lazy. So
No, we were eating pizza.
we were eating. Whoa, wait.
Hey,
Whoa. James,
You've been calling us lazy a lot. I've got a reputation to...
reputation. We got the world's loudest Audi over there. He's trying to shut up his valves, but obviously that's not happening. Oh, we got Stradman's Evo Twin. Do you see that? He rolled up the tinted windows as he drove past me. It's like, don't you dare film my face. All right, guys, so we're in a garage right next to Casino Square. It's the Indonesia Ferrari Owners Club Drive. There's around, what, 20 cars? But check this out, guys. Monaco's only Prius. Tucked away in the corner right there. We're having a little debate. We're not sure if these cars are actually owner cars. They might be factory cars for the Passion Ferrari Rally. So the mystery thickens, the plot thickens, and they're all on Italian plates. James makes a pretty good point that they're all pretty boring press car specs. So, oh, this guy's, dude, he's got the music. He's doing the Snapchat. Nice.